State High Court in Ibadan has rejected a request by the Attorney General of Federation and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, to stop hearing a suit instituted against the Nigerian government by Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Adeyomo, aka Sunday Igboho. Igboho had filed a suit challenging the invasion of his house in Ibadan on July 1st by operatives of the Department of the State Services, DSS. Malami had in his motion on notice raised a preliminary objection against Igboho's suit. According to Malami, the Oyo State High Court lacked the jurisdiction to entertain the matter. The Attorney General was represented in the court on Wednesday by a team of 10 lawyers led by Abdullahi Abubakar. Malami asked for extension of time to enable him to file further processes in opposition to Igboho's application, but the motion was opposed by Igboho's counsel, led by Chief Yomi Aliyu, who urged that time is of the essence. Aliyu urged that the lawyer stipulates that replies shall be given within 5 days, stressing that Malami had nowhere to hide because the case is about fundamental human rights. He also pointed out that by filing the motion on notice, Malami had called for the discretion of the court. He therefore urged Justice Laderen Akintola to exercise discretion instead of granting Malami's application. Counsel for the second and the third respondent, the DSS and the Director of DSS in Oyo State, T.A. Nuruddin, did not oppose the application. After listening to both parties, Justice Akintola allowed Malami's lawyers to move his application but awarded 50,000 naira cost against Attorney General. He adjourned the hearing to August 30. Malami had in his preliminary objection urged that the claims of unlawful killing of Igboho'S aides cannot be brought under fundamental human rights enforcement or procedure. He also argued that claims of damage and unlawful invasion cannot be resolved by way of affidavit evidence without calling witnesses, among others. Igboho is, among others, seeking an order of the court to declare the invasion of his residence by DSS operatives as illegal and an infringement on his fundamental human rights. He wants the same order for his detained aides and associates. Meanwhile, the Federal High Court Abuja on Wednesday said a judge was on the ground to sign an August 4th bail warrant of the detained associate of the agitator issued by Justice Obiora Egutu. The court blamed their counsel for failing to approach the Justice A.R. Mohammed, who narrates as a vacation judge for the release of the detainees. The 12 associates of Igboho'S were arrested by the DSS when it raided the residence of the agitator in Ibadan on July 1st. 2 of his associates were killed during the raid. The DSS accused Igboho of stockpiling arms and ammunition to wreak havoc in the country, an allegation the agitator has since denied. Igboho escaped the bloody invasion of his home but was arrested in Cotonou, Benin Republic, some days later while trying to travel to Germany. As Attorney General, he should have known that the suit cannot be dismissed. No matter how useless a case may be, The court is bound to hear it. It behaves on the defendant to show cause during trial why it should be dismissed. The plaintiff has locus to entrench his fundamental right when trampled upon. Kudos to the trial judge for dismissing the AGF applications. Malami is a disgrace to the law profession. I used to say this again and again. Let the government tell Nigerians the amount they have spent as ransom to Boko Haram. It is evidently clear that all these billions of naira going out as ransom is to fund the Taliban and other terrorist organizations. Nigeria is currently sitting on a gunpowder. Nigerians are reacting and they are still talking. Attorney General of Fulani, kudos to the judiciary. They have started working for humanity. Nigerian will be liberated. Democracy is in danger. Malami laments. Religious Studies George. This is as a result of occupying an office you are not qualified to. Before you know it, Malami will call the Taliban, who disguise as DSS, to kill and arrest anyone in court. This guy is educated daft. Your education is worthless when your boss or you serving under an illiterate person and he or she is the one ordering you around. But now which school give this man certificate safe? The courts are stupid. The whole Attorney General, you won't grant his request. Malami has the power to shut down the stupid courts. Alright, someone just dropped that. Honestly, you are brainless. See how you reason. Who is Malami before constitution and law? Better go to hospital and complete your injection. So guys, you've all heard it now. I'm going to drop it here. What's your take on this? Kindly hit the comment section and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye for now.